Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of working on the M3. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys pretty much how to paint your calipers. I'm super excited on this. I really want to see how it looks with the yellow toe straps and the yellow intake scoops. I'm going to do yellow calipers. It should look really cool. Especially now we got the windows tinted. You won't be able to see the red from the outside, so it's not going to be like gray, black, red, and yellow. It's going to be kind of like the gray, black, and yellow, which is going to look super clean. So yeah, without further ado, let's start getting to it. I'm going to show you guys everything you need to make this happen. Guys, not even 2 days and I already got a gas light. This is ridiculous. Guys, look at that. The yellow on yellow. We need more yellow, Jonathan. More! The rear one doesn't actually have the toe cap, so I can't just have it dangling out like that. Jonathan probably looks so much better, but it's whatever. I guess race car. It's all good. It doesn't look too bad. I would definitely recommend getting the cap. I need to get that cap. But anyways, let's start working on getting some more things yellow. Let's try to get the car more to that side so we can do these two rims first. Alright guys, we just moved the car over, which gives us plenty of room to pretty much jack up this side. Take off those two rims, clean off the rims, polish them, probably even spray something on them to where it'll remove the dust whenever I spray it down, and start putting a yellow accent in there. It looks so good probably. So we got the car jacked up, both wheels off the ground. This is how we jacked it up pretty much. Just jacked it up on one side, high enough to where both wheels off the ground, then I put a jack stand there, and pretty much, yeah, this side's completely jacked. Alright guys, so we have everything right here. This is everything you guys need and some garbage bags. Let me get this out of the way. So, you guys need the actual color you guys want. Try to get one that's like engine or rotors or something like that, something that can withstand some heat. That's not the primary one that needs to withstand heat. You need to get primer that can withstand high temperatures, and then clear, which sits below and above the paint. So we got two primers for those, and we got some clear, which we're gonna put in the end to seal everything. So I only need one of those cans. And then before we do any of this, we're just gonna go ahead and brush it and use some caliper cleaner just to get the calipers all cleaned up, looking great and smooth enough to use all of these guys. So obviously we also got some tape. All right, let's throw them on. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can see, these rear rotors have a small lip to them for any new brake pads and new rotors. Well, the brake pad's actually not that bad. So when I need new brake pads, I'm going to need new rotors, unfortunately. So yeah, that is for another time. I'm not going to worry about that.
You know how much that costs?
Too much money.
A lot of money.
So yeah, as you guys can see, I used some wheel cleaner and it's all got left on here. So we're going to have to clean all this off and then we can start painting it. So yeah guys, we got some steel wool, which we're going to be using for the caliper. And then we also have some caliper cleaner, which we're going to be spraying on. At this point guys, I'm going to go ahead and start masking. Alright guys, I'm working on this one and actually documented it for you guys. Jonathan's actually working on that side for me, so shout out to Jonathan, I appreciate you, my dude. So yeah, he's pretty much doing that. I'm doing over here. So I pretty much masked off everything that you can see from this side, like from the rotor perspective. This actually looks so good sanded right now. Goodness gracious. If you guys just want to clean up your rotor, like dang, just use some steel wool and you're good to go. But anyways, back to the topic. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put some plastic garbage bags, maybe just another piece of tape right here, just to be safe. And then put a garbage bag all around the rotor and all around my, what's it called? My wheel well, because I don't want any of my stuff over here getting painted, like my headlight, my cooler. I don't have my wheel guard, but even if you guys have your wheel guard, you don't want any of that stuff getting painted or you're strutting anything like that. So just cover up all this stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. Looking at it now, pretty much got the entire, like, I just have to put something on the ground right there. Let's get these out of the way. But basically, you guys can see the caliper is completely exposed and nothing's actually touching it. I don't know why the focus is so bad, but even back here, you guys can see nothing's touching the caliper all the way around. So it's pretty much ready for paint. So at this point, we're just gonna go ahead and apply some primer. This is some super high temp primer up to 2000 Fahrenheit. Typically, if you guys are wondering, brake calipers can withstand up to 200.
It's like you can go up to 13. It goes up to 1300.
Like maximum, like on the track and stuff.
Yeah.
So I do plan on taking this to the track, so that's why we went up to like the 2000 Fahrenheit. If you don't plan on taking a car to the track, you just pretty much opt for regular ones that withstand up to like 500. You'll be fine. But yeah, we just went with this just in case. Alright guys, we're gonna wait about 15 minutes, 15 to 20, that's like the usual clearing time, and then gonna put on a second base coat of primer, and then once we do that, then we're ready for some actual paint. So yeah, just go ahead and give it some time. While we're waiting, actually, we're gonna go ahead and just wash off these rims from the inside out. We haven't actually deeply cleaned them in a very long time, as you guys can see, so it wouldn't hurt to just clean these up a little better. Alright guys, the camera died. We actually ended up cleaning off the rims, looking pretty good. They're not perfect, you don't have any wheel cleaner or anything like that. And with the whole water situation currently, it ain't gonna happen anytime soon. So anyways, that's a long story, we're not gonna talk about that. But so far, calipers are looking really good. They're all primered up. They're not fully primered, so we still need to put a second coat just to make sure that the paint adheres properly. So yeah.
30 seconds.
30 more seconds? Cool. So I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up and start putting the second layer on there. Pretty much my second coat is a little bit of running. It's not a big deal. It's a caliper. You don't really see it, but it's looking really good. So yeah, that's so far the second coat. Go ahead and let this cure for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and use the yellow paint. Oh my lord, I'm excited. Look at that. Look at the gray on gray. This is eventually gonna be yellow. I can imagine with the yellow toe strap and everything. Oh my lord. Let's just get to it. Alright guys, we are ready for our second coat. Alright guys, sorry for the lighting, but this is the third layer. Alright guys, Jonathan really wants you guys to see the calipers. He opened up the garage for better lighting. Check it out. So he actually did a way better job than I did.
Really?
I have so much more run on than you. That looks so good. Dang, that looks super good. Mine's has a lot more run on, but
dude, it still looks really good. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, still looks fire. Oh my goodness, look how big this caliper is. It's gonna look so good. Look at the car, like the gray and everything. And once we paint this thing blue, oh my goodness, still looks so good. Rocking all this yellow stuff from Omega Tuning as well. Shout out to them. Oh my god. I'll have to delete this soon, don't worry. Alright guys, we're coming out for the 6th time, or something like that. Basically now, we have our calipers should be both calipers should be dried right now. But yeah, it's time to apply some clear coat. So we have 1 can, I think it's more than enough. We're gonna do 2 layers on here, 2 layers on that. 10 minutes between each one, so yeah, let's just get to it. Alright guys, this is our last clear coat layer, so let's get to it. Alright guys, we gave it more than enough time to cure. It's time to take off all this masking and then throw on the rims and see how they look. Oh my god.
So good. We're definitely gonna have to tighten it up with the other thing, but oh my goodness.
No way, dude.
Dude, it looks so good. Look at this one. Oh
Dude,
my god.
Let's back this thing out. Hold on,
Okay, let's lower it.
Let's get all this
Let's get all the stuff out from underneath. Alright, let's lower it.
Alright, let's lower it.
Yo, dude, it looks so good. Holy crap. Oh my god.
Guys, if you guys check it out from this angle, you see the toe hook and everything?
It's kind of far.
Oh my god.
It does look really
I'm so
good.
excited, guys. We gotta finish all of it now, and hopefully we have enough daylight to at least get a few shots for you guys.
It's going down.
If not, I'll wait for another day to get you some shots, but I have to get you guys some shots. Whether it's here or in my area, I have to. At the end of this video, stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the other side. Jonathan's just torquing down the wheels to make sure everything is good to go. But the yellow, guys, looks absolutely killer. Cannot wait. So yeah, we're gonna go out for a quick little photo shoot. It's honestly perfect lighting. I hope it stays up like this for a little bit. But yeah, we gotta hurry up and so we can head out and get a few shots of this because this is looking insane. All right, guys, all the mods are on. Let's just go ahead and head out and hopefully we can get a few sick shots while the sun's kind of out there. All right, guys, we're not gonna be ripping the car or anything like that because we don't want our calipers getting super hot. We're just gonna take it down the road, hopefully get a few sick shots, and that's pretty much that. So let's go find a nice place, get some shots for you guys, and then head out. All right, guys, we found a little spot next to a few homes, you know, goals. This is a 3-car garage, so, we just, this is a pretty nice spot. Here's the car right now. Yellow brakes, oh my God. That looks absolutely insane. The yellow tow hook and the yellow scoops. I feel like going in and try to do a couple more accents. We'll have to see, but this is looking pretty sick, Jonathan just helping me take a few shots. Guys, look at the sky right now. That is looking so clean. Hopefully we got a few sick shots, honestly, but yeah, we'll show you guys a few right now. All right, guys, we're gonna try to hit up our next location, so let's go.
Yeah, look at this sky. Ooh. Wow, that's a beautiful sky, honestly.
Jonathan's gonna take a few shots for us right here out in the open. Beautiful, beautiful view, but the stupid car doesn't want to move, so we don't want to park in the middle of the road just yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and duck. The things we do for photos. There's some crazier things, to be honest, y'all, but I mean, the things we do. Look at this road, guys. Look at the view. That's crazy. Oh my God. How's it going, Johnny?
Pretty good.
Getting a few sick shots? There we go. All right, guys, so we just went ahead and took a few sick shots. I think it's a really nice area, Jonathan. Shout out to you for bringing us out here. But yeah, that pretty much concludes the video. If you guys really like how the calipers came out, I think it looks super, super, super sick. Jonathan's gonna go ahead and move the car for us because the car came here to shut my outro. But anyways. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button. If you guys like how the M3 turned out, again, make sure to smash the like button. Let me know down in the comments if you guys would have preferred another color. I think this looks pretty sick. If you guys want me to do the same thing to the E46, let me know. But yeah, without further ado, guys, I love y'all so much. Oh my goodness. Remember to stay humble, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man, it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words, and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth.